Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, we're going to be cash stuffing $700. I'm going to be cash stuffing my cash envelopes, well, my wallet with the dividers. That's my allowance for the week. And some sinking funds. If there's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Okay, so I have my wallet here. And let's see what we have. Spending, I had $52 left, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2. I just did a what did I spend in a week video. I'll leave that video up above if you're interested to see what Mrs Vee spent her money on. And I had $25 left from groceries. So that's a total of $77. So, stay tuned to the end to see what Mrs Vee does with her rollover. So let's go ahead and get started. So Dollar Tree, I have decreased my budget from $20 to $15. So I'm gonna give myself a 10 and a 5. A 10 and 5 ones. This money look a mess today, y'all. Look at it. All of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's $15. Some of this has to go right back to the bank because I've already been to the Dollar Tree. And speaking of Dollar Tree, don't forget to scan your receipts to Fetch Rewards. And Fetch Rewards is an app that allows you to scan receipts to redeem them for a gift card. And if you're not familiar with Fetch Rewards, I have a link in my description box, and you go ahead and use that link and use my code. And once you scan your first receipt, it will give you 2,000 points, and then I'll receive points for referring you. And you will also be given a code to share with your family and friends. So go ahead and scan your receipts. So that's Dollar Tree. And personal, I give myself a $10 bill. Try to make sure you're in frame for personal. Then groceries, I give myself $50 a week, and I'm gonna give myself 5 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that. The crafty budgeter. Y'all let the crafty budgeter know that I picked up 5 $10 bills. Yes, I did. So that's for groceries. I'm loving my new wallet, guys. Yeah, I really like it. And next is spending. I give myself $100 a week, and that's going to be 10 $10 bills. Let's see if we can get 10 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's $100 for the week. Spending. I've been doing good with my spending because I'm saving. Trying to save most of my spending money for other things. But if it's something I want, I'll get it. Eating out is $15. That's a 10 and 5 ones. Ooh, I picked up $5 again. I'm getting good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's for eating out. So that'll go in there slot that says restaurants. And this month is my birthday, so I get a lot of free gifts from different restaurants. So I'll be utilizing that and try to keep my $15 for this week. And last but not least is household, and it gets $10 also. So that's it for that. So let's go ahead and get straight into these sinking funds so this video won't be so long. First sinking fund that I'm going to stuff is vacation because we're about to take a trip for my birthday. This is my little vacation binder. Yeah, and the only thing I'm going to stuff, so I have housing in here, wherever we're going to stay when we go places. Then you have to have some food. Then you have to have gas or your plane tickets. Of course, you're going to do activities and like excursions. And then miscellaneous, just those unbudgeted things when you're on vacation. So the only thing that I'm going to stuff is $300 for our housing. And we're going to a wine resort. We love wine, and my husband and I went earlier this year, and he fell in love, so I decided to go back for my birthday. So for housing, we have $800 in the bank, and so we're going to add this to the $800. I think it's going to be like $1,200. It's expensive. Yeah, it's all like $300 and some a night, and you're going to add all those fees, so it's going to be like $1,200 a night just for the housing. So we have, $800 in the bank, so that's $900. Do we have 805? Yeah, we have 800. I'm just going to count what's in here. I'm not going to count what's in the bank. So we got 100, Ooh, let me flip this money over right. Having some trouble. Okay, so we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 520, 540, 560, 570, 580. So if you add the 800 that's in the bank and the 580, that's $13 and some change. So we should have enough for our housing. But, you know, of course, if not, with, you know me, I'll take it out some of these other envelopes or either out of our buffer account. So I'm going to go ahead and take all this money out now on camera because we have to put this all back in the bank since we get ready to go out of town. We use our debit card. So, yeah, I know a lot of people say it don't make sense to get the money out of the bank and put it back, but it's making sense to me because I'm able to save. It's all about, it's not so much about the action of taking money out of the bank and putting it back. It's all about the mindset and the discipline that you're learning. So, yeah, so I'm going to keep on doing this. I'm going to be doing, I told my husband we're going to be doing this up until we trillionaire. We're just going to be stuffing $1,000 bills if it's such a thing. So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and take all this out and put this back in the bank. So, yeah. So, that is a great outing that we're going to be able to cash flow. Yes, I love it. And so, when we come back, whatever we have left, if we have anything left from our trip, I'll just put that back in these envelopes and start planning for our next trip because we already have a next trip planned. So, that's how we'll do that. So, my vacation binder is completely empty. And I don't feel no ways about it. It's fine with me. Because that's what I saved it for. So we're going to put this in the bank. Put this over to the side. Go to the bank. Next binder is my personal binder. Mrs Vee. This house is Mrs Vee. Envelopes for myself. And for fitness, I need some more protein powder to go in my smoothies. And I had this one for clothing, but I decided to start saving for my daughters. I have 2 daughters, the grown daughters, but I'm starting saving for their birthday. They both have already had their birthday this year, April and July, so I'm going to get a head start and try to do something nice for them next year because I normally don't give them much for their birthday, but I have since had a change of heart because they're doing so well and I'm so proud of them, so I'll start giving to them. Then, you know, I got my 5 grandkids. I have money in here for them. And what I have decided to do with the grandkids is, I don't know where I get this idea from. Somebody. I don't know. It's not my idea. But whatever their age is, that's how much I'll put in their envelope. So, let's go ahead and get started. So, Miss V is going to get $5. And I presently have $28. So, that's going to bring that total to $33. And I'll just do the trackers afterwards because I think this video is going to be kind of long. Okay, fitness is $5. Remember I said I need some more protein powder, but it's more than $5, but you gotta start somewhere. Then for my daughters, I'm gonna do $10 to get them started. Then for my oldest granddaughter, Kyra, she has $0. Remember I took the $50 out and gave it to them for their back to school. So, is this in frame? Yeah. So she gets $16 because she's 16. So I'm going to give her a 10, a 5, and a $1 bill. Because I'm doing it this way because I figured the 16-year-old probably going to need more things than the 2-year-old. I just thought it was a fun way to do it. This is just money for them, not like their savings. I hadn't started that yet. When I get to a point financially, I'll start them a savings account. So next is a Maya. I don't know why I have 13 for her. She's not 13. Maya is 5 years old, so she gets $5. And then Tristan, he's only 2. He still has his $50 because remember he didn't do back to school, so he has $50, so he has $52 in his envelope. And it's probably gonna be for him a better car seat because that one he has, I hate that car seat. Xavier is 13, so we'll give him a 10 and 3 ones. And this is for like, if I see them do something good, I'll just give them their little money. But I'm not gonna tell them ahead of time because I want them to do good because it's natural, not for any money. So Jonah gets $6. This is my what I call my heart grandbaby. This the baby that my daughter was pregnant with when she had her heart attack. I'll do an updated story of that on my channel. But I have a story, but it's older. So that's it for personal. Next binder, we're going to do high priority. And this is my high priority binder. And Roth IRA gets $20. And Roth IRA has $118. I have, you know, 401k and all that at my job. This is just an extra retirement that I'm starting to fund, because remember, I want to be I would like to retire at the age of 60, and I'll be the big 50 this year, so I got a 10-year plan. So Roth IRA has $118. I'm gonna add 20, so that's gonna make that $128. Oh, this envelope split. Okay. Appliances and home. I don't think it gets. Oh, it gets $50. Oh, I'm gonna have to take this out because guess what? My dryer just went out, and I got a washing machine that's working. But I'm kind of an aesthetics person. I don't want mismatch washers and dryers, so I'm gonna have to sell the washer and dryer, and then go and pick up a new one. So that'll give me $82 in this fund. That'll go towards it, but you'll see a video coming soon. You know, of course, I'm gonna let you know where I come up with the money. Car maintenance, which I need to beef up because we got 3 vehicles. So we have $80 in there. I'm gonna put 2 20s and then make it 120, but some of this gonna have to come out because my husband is getting an oil change as we speak, so I'll take some of that out after the video. Stock market gets 0, and wedding and a respiratory license gets $8. If you didn't know, oh, I messed up somewhere. I'm missing $1. If you didn't know, I'm a registered respiratory therapist, so it's time for me to renew my license October the 31st. I need like a $100, so I have 17 already, and I have to find the other one. It's somewhere. Every video I'm looking for some money. So we're gonna add $7. They're gonna make that 24, and when I find the other 5, it's gonna be 25. And then I'm not gonna put anything in lock right now. And I got a new envelope for game night. Yay! Remember I said we're gonna have cash prizes, but I got a budget for it. Then this is my 10K challenge. This is just some 1K slips that I use to represent that. If you want to know my progress on my 10K challenge, check out the video. So something's wrong. I don't know. I'll figure it out after the video. So that's high priority. We got one more binder. Remember, Mrs Vee has 4 binders, and this is low priority, like stuff that I'm really not focused on right now, but I do give it some love when I can. Next is, only thing in here that's getting some is good grades, where I give my grandkids $20 per A, and it is getting $5. And I forgot that those kids were smart. Babe, I started that last year. Let me just tell you, I had to come out the pocket, but I was happy to do it. They were like, "What about a B?" I said, "A B is good, but I'm just focused on the A's." Unbudgeted gets $5. I ordered some more of these purple envelopes, so this whole binder is gonna be purple, so we're gonna change that out in a video. So I got $10 left. That's crazy. Hold on, let me see what I did wrong. Okay, I know what I got. Support small. I have an envelope for support small businesses. It gets $10, and this money will be gone also. I've already ordered from someone, but I'll insert a screen, a picture of this idea I came up with. I made a wish list for supporting small businesses, because you know, every time you go through these videos, you'll be like, "Oh, I would like to purchase that. Oh, I would like to purchase that." But you got to remember, you can't do any impulse buying, even though you're on a budget. So I decided to make me a wish list. That way, I don't feel so compelled to buy it at that time, because once I write it down in my mind, I feel like I already had it. So that's what I started to do, and I just check it off as I go. And that has kind of calmed me down from just wanting to order something every time someone posts something, because no, that's not gonna work for me and my budget. So that's it. I have to find $1 that I'm missing and something else. But anyway, this is the money that I had left over. It was the total of $77. So let's count. $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $65, $70, $71, $72, $73, $74, $75, $76, $77. Okay, let's go. Maybe that's where my dollar is. Here's my other dollar. I'm gonna put this in my respiratory license. We'll put that over to the side. So what I do with this is whatever I in my high priority sinking fund, like whatever is my focus at that moment, like whatever is like due next, I'll split this money up amongst that. And so my daughter gets married September the 11th, so I'll split that with the wedding and my lock appointment. I'm locking my hair, so I have an appointment September the 7th. So I'm gonna split this. So one person gets 40 and the other person gets 37, and I think I did, it doesn't matter, just one. I'm just gonna split it amongst those two. So wedding, I'm gonna give it 37. It still has 26. So this is mainly for, you know, if my daughter needs something at the last minute, because I've already gotten my dress. I've already gave her a bridal shower, and I've got my dress. I have my shoes. I've already hosted the bridal shower, so it shouldn't be too much more. This is just in case, you know, she needs something at the last minute, because she is cash flowing the wedding. So that's wedding. Nothing for respiratory. Oh yeah, that $1 for respiratory license. So yeah. So what are y'all focused on? What's your main focus right now? My main focus is wedding and getting my hair locked. That's the main thing. Going through this transitional phase of locking my hair. So that appointment is going to be $80. And I presently have 20. So if I add 40, I'm almost there. Oh, I love these envelopes. Thank you, Dave Ramsey. Thank you. Because he's the first person that I heard talking about it. I follow the budget mom, but he's the first person that I heard talking about it. So yeah, so that's it. I have stuffed all of my, well, all of the sinking funds that I wanted to stuff in these 4 binders. So yeah, so let me know in the comment section what you are focused on at this point in your journey, and I'm going to go through and take that money out for maintenance for the oil change, and then I have the money over here for our vacation. Even though those one of them, the oil change money goes into checking, and the vacation, it goes into checking too. What am I talking about? Anyway, let me get out of here. So this video is about 20 minutes long, a little bit too long for me. I'll try to cut it down some when I'm editing. So that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day. Don't forget that we're gonna start game night Tuesday night. See you then, Tuesday at 6 p.m.